How to watch One Punch Man anime. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipen and today I'll guide you on how you can watch One Punch Man. Now if you are a fan of One Punch Man, if you are wondering on how you can watch One Punch Man, now the anime itself is available on Crunchyroll as well as Netflix. Now you can go ahead and download Netflix, or you can get the Netflix subscription and you can watch or start streaming it on Netflix, the One Punch Man. However, if not Netflix, if you don't want to get Netflix subscription, it's available on the Crunchyroll as well. You can head into your browser and you can search in for Crunchyroll, and you'll be able to head into the official website, the Crunchyroll website, and you'll be able to watch anime there. Similarly, you can do it on the Crunchyroll application. You'll be able to get it on the Play Store as well as App Store. So these are the official sources where you can watch One Punch Man. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any issues on any other animes that you wish to watch.